Here they are, 3 weeks old. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Show them what you can do. Oh, this blue boy is going potty. That's a good thing to do. Does that feel better? That was a big body. Come on, little girl. Come on. There you go. That one's the dark pink girl. This is a fun age, so cute because they're really not steady yet, but they're getting there. What a face. What a face. That's the green boy. Hi. Did you want to come take a closer look? What do I have in my hand? It's the light pink girl. There's the dark pink girl. And the white boy. The red little girl. The white boy, the yellow boy, and the blue boy. Okay. I'm going to get you guys dizzy. Sorry. 3 weeks today.